This video is about modern supply chain. Henry Ford is popularly held as a business innovator because he pursued operational efficiency. The Ford Motor Company was vertically integrated, and its assembly line heralded an era of mass production, lower cost, and modern consumerism. However, his supply management was awful by modern standards. Look at any grainy black and white photo, and you'll see large inventories in large buildings, acquired at great cost, prone to damage or loss. But it makes sense for the time. There was no system of national or state highways. Water transportation was preferred. Truncated communications passed by telegraph and primitive phones. Data networks were 60 years away. Large inventories were a way of creating supply assurance. Today, the goal of supply chain management is to ensure one thing, that we hold enough, not too much, and we never can run out. Let me say that again. We need to hold enough, not too much, and we never can run out. That's all. What if it's Valentine's Day and we sell chocolates? They can't be sold the next day. We can run out then, right? Answer no. We need enough to satisfy the last unit of demand and no more. Doing otherwise would sow doubt about our reliability as a source. In manufacturing, this need is especially acute. If you're a consumer electronics manufacturer, and the finished good you're assembling have 600 parts, most of those parts are inexpensive. At the point of assembly, all the parts must be present. The absence of a single screw worth 1 cent can mean that 200 or more people go home. But can't they put them aside and then add the part later? No, it's not like doing crafts at home. Assembly marches swiftly in one direction and in a specific sequence. Doing otherwise invites waste, duplicated effort, unnecessary movements, and haphazard quality. Besides, even if it was possible, how would you separate semi-finished from finished goods? How would you reinsert them into the assembly process without creating upstream bottlenecks? The point is this: products are distinguished based on features, surely, but they are also distinguished by cost and availability as well. In many businesses, products feature advantages are fleeting because competitors can copy them. However, operational efficiency, lower cost, and consistent availability are less easily achieved, and these are differentiators as well. In modern business, the reliable supply chain, efficient operations, and seamless distribution are the source of profit. No level of quality will surmount a product offering that commands an excessive premium or that's simply not available in a decent interval.